My name's Nora. My favorite thing about band class is that we're all just kids, but we all have one thing in common. We all like music, and just like we get to make it together. That's just really special.
I guess you've been at Brooklyn Music Factory for 3 years since she was 5.
But I've for 2.
She started doing piano when she was 5, and she's almost.
I just did this mini keys camp, and then I just really liked it. So I was like, let's do more.
Yeah.
So we did more.
Here at Brooklyn Music Factory, there are 4 pillars of music fluency that we focus on. Rhythm, harmony, melody, and songwriting. And we focus on those fluencies in the band setting by allowing the students to explore the different primary band instruments, but also, most importantly, how those instruments come together and work together, which instruments are fulfilling which pillar at a given time.
1, 2, 3. Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! I want some vanilla.
My name is Magnus, and my favorite part of Jan class is that I get to learn the bass.
So the way we do that is we play games. And as a teacher, that's one of the funnest parts, is thinking about how am I going to create a game to teach harmony. All the while, you're learning these fluencies, not just in your head, but in your body. So maybe it's, we're having one student playing a chord progression that we've determined different movements for each chord, and the rest of us are listening, and we're moving our bodies, so we're feeling that music in our bodies, and then we get to rotate, and someone else gets to be the leader in that game.
I think it's been going really well. He seems to be learning a lot. He's certainly enthusiastic about coming. A couple of friends, other parents, told me about it, and I was interested in him learning music. He's also learning Spanish, so similar to language, music connects different synapses in the brain, so I think it's important to learn.
And so as we're playing those games, ultimately this is going to serve us as a band to write our original songs together. And kids can't even believe that. Sometimes you tell them, you're going to write your very own song. They've heard songs on the radio, those are like removed and official, but it's like, no, you're going to write these songs.
Well, we all contribute to a little bit of the song, and it just, it builds up like a building. We put one brick, and then another, until the whole building is complete.
Remember, you wrote the line.
Can we restart
this?
We are the unstoppable beings. We are the unstoppable. We are the unstoppable. We are the unstoppable.